I jumped out before we hit the ground and it shoved me under the ground.
We're gonna hit the jump up there. Don't say anything out of pocket. This is the, something that I'm gonna stitch into. Actually, no, I would stitch this into something, but this is a completely separate thing that I'm recording. Like weird out of pocket. You could say just random, but nothing weirdly out of pocket.
Bananas.
Banana. 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 What? I'm gonna go fix up the truck. We can't sing that.
Sing what?
I was about to sing the Mario theme. That'll get me copyrighted.
Breaking Bad.
Breaking Beds with Walter White. Why is that tank already almost blew up? We're gonna take the red truck.
Yo, what's good? I'm in the back.
You're gonna die.
I know.
Driving in my car right after. I'll tell you after recording.
What do you mean?
I'll tell you what the point of life is after recording, because it's something I can't say on video.
Okay, so no out-of-pocket jokes, yeah.
Yeah. Where's this jump at?
Wee.
Oh,
Hey, you know what? Black. Ah, yes. Beautiful sound of sand. You alive? I will not move.
Recording.
This is an intersection.
Recording. Ow. Any other jump I want to hit to put myself through pain for no reason?
Waddle.
I'm not gonna drown myself.
What?
This truck is not waterproof. Water can get in the cab.
You should try it.
I will feel like I'm drowning.
Nah. My hand tracking streaking. Kaboom! So tell me again, where did you get your driver's license?
A cereal box.
I can tell.
You didn't even get one out of a cereal box.
Now I got mine out of a cardboard box.
A cereal box is made out of cardboard.
But I stole mine. Wait, what do you mean I can't say that?
Well, we got him on video. He's cooked.
Well, I was gonna say something else, but that's just...
This is going on YouTube, and that part you said you stole something is gonna be probably clipped and put as a short or put on TikTok.
Well, you know, since I already said it, might as well make it worse. Yeah?
No.
No cashiers were harmed in the making of this robbery.
What?
What? Beep.
Wait, hold on. I wonder what would the impact feel like from that? Yeah, just back up.
This is a good way to put Phantom Sense to you. Drive off a cliff. Oh, a tree.
Oh. Oh great, there's a minigun back there. I hope I don't get shot. What are we doing? Why are we just driving? Oh shit, oh fuck, oh fuck. What do you want to change?
Yes.
A tree. The best snack.
The snack that smiles back.
Boss.
What?
I didn't say it, so.
No brain cells were harmed in the making of this video.
We don't have brain cells to begin with.
Exactly, they can't be harmed if they don't exist.
You got a point.
No, I got a finger.
I would say you could shoot me with that, with the minigun, but if I don't, I'm pretty sure the way Phantom Sense works is if you don't see it happen, you don't feel it.
What I thought.
I'm pretty sure that's the way it works.
Which is why you should watch this.
Time to look away from that.
Uh-oh. At least I have a... Oh, wait. Wrong button. At least I have a laser.
That's a cat laser.
It is. And you're a cat.
That's who?
Bald.
What do you mean bald? I have my hat. You want to see bald?
Bald?
That's bald.
Bald boys.
I need to join that group. That Lily made.
Yeah, did she make it yet?
I think she has.
I'm pretty sure I could become bald here.
No, that one can't.
At least I can hold a candy. The only thing that's advertised for. Avatar.
Avatar. What would happen if you just suddenly turn the wheel to the left?
I don't know. Try it.
No, if you just suddenly did that.
Me?
Yeah. Too late. We're not on the bridge.
Oh. Crash Bandicoot. Insert picture of Wally West.
I don't have an editing program yet, so I'm not gonna do that.
Use CapCut or OBS.
I don't feel like downloading either of those.
I downloaded both. How do you think I make videos?
You make videos? Alright, I'm gonna wait for you to turn the wheel rapidly while we're on this bridge.
I don't think I can.
Ollie Williams with our Blackie weather report.
I don't think I can.
Ollie Williams with the Blackie weather report. It's raining sideways. Ollie, you have an umbrella. I had one where the inside out 3 miles away. References that you want.
What's your favorite Nintendo game? What's your favorite
I don't play
Nintendo game?
Nintendo. I don't play Nintendo. I have a Switch Lite. I don't play it. I play Minecraft, and I play Minecraft and Asphalt 5.
Are you bouncing?
Racing.
What's your favorite Nintendo console?
Dunk. Wee. Oh! Wee. This thing is...
Don't you dare leave nothing.
Bro, this thing squats. Hey man, I think we're a little stuck.
Nah, just reverse it.
I am.
Why are you reversing it? That sounds real stupid.
Put it in reverse, don't go. You put it in reverse, don't go. Oh.
You put it in N, it goes up. I mean neutral.
Ice, baby. It occurred to me I posted a video a couple days ago that was close to an hour long of just car wash. Of just VRChat car wash.
I'll look at your YouTube now.
Please don't. It's cringe as
I have it pulled up.
fuck.
On my Switch Lite.
Hey, I also got one of those.
Yeah, mine's yellow and I replaced one of the joysticks.
Mine's gray.
My joystick. So I will actually, sound like a new, not a new, odd.
You sounded like, wait, can I drive on this? Please tell me I can drive on this.
Hold on a minute. Supposed to be on here?
What?
Is that you?
I do post video, yes. I post myself and I post VRChat content. I think I got the car stuck, man.
You think?
Hold on, let me just take the car to heaven.
Ah, yes. The beautiful sounds of spinning.
Spinning in a
Lovely.
circle and I'm green.
This is the axolotl song.
There's an axolotl on the pink stairs.
Why are the stairs pink?
'Cause they can be.
Not bad.
The first VRChat video was probably my best one. Blood Moon Goes to Black Cat.
Looking at them all.
Don't do that. There's one that. Yeah, that was the first one. That was the first VRChat video I posted.
Then FNAF fan games and VR. Getting chased by, I don't even know how to pronounce that. By myself.
chicken.
No planes now. Car. Just car.
Car, yes, car, just car.
Car.
You're making me sad just going through my fucking sad video titles.
Car.
Car. Why are you standing?
Because gay math.
Yeah, we know you are.
Gives you cancel, gives you cancel, gives you cancel.
You can't do that. You can't give animatronics. That doesn't work. It's not for that.
Try me.
What does the back of your head say? I cannot read what the back of your head says.
You know, I can lead it if you would stay still. The camera. I just ate the camera. Okay, let me use my camera. No, we're going too fast.
You're not
Or
moving.
we're moving. It says
I know the back of my
sun was here.
I know the back of my head says Dazzle was here.
That's cute.
I want my cat ear. I want my ear to be over. There we go.
Dilly gaff.
Dilly Gab. Do I look like I give a...
No, bad.
Racism.
Good. Wait, what?
Wait, what? I'm gonna clip
Who
that.
doesn't like racism?
I'm gonna clip that. I'm gonna tell Mom. We share our brains. Man, we share our brains though.
What brain cell?
We share the non-existent brain cell.
I'll be right back. I gotta do something.
I'll be back.
Time to die.
I gotta make sure not to blow up the car. Bro, I hate driving this thing, man. So maybe it's because we're using off-road tires on road. Those are more of mud tires than anything. Why am I so close? it'll be easier on the car. Bro, I don't think that's how steering systems work, man. Bro, I don't think that's how fucking suspension works. This is the... I'm gonna set my camera right over there. Aim it this way a bit. Or do I want to put somewhere where y'all can actually visibly see? Okay, you know what? I'll just stick it up here for now. I'm looking straight. Yeah, it can be. Yeah, it's visible right there. But whatever this. Where did bro go? Oh, bro's all the way over there. That's where my camera was for this.
Yeah, we can. Good day, good soul.
Still recording.
Okay.
I'm trying to remember how long I've been recording for.
Oh no, but my cat's here now.
Well.
I just went downstairs to eat some dinner.
You ate nothing.
Yeah. It was just meatloaf and 3 biscuits.
Big bat!
Hey! But that's pretty small. My belly's big.
You biblically accurate beluga whale built bitch. No?
Driving in the sea right after.
We're moving at 3 miles an hour. Actually, no, there's no speed. We're just moving at 3 speeds. Because there's no miles or kilometers per hour there.
Ah, yes. 3.
4.
6, 7.
My goodness, just drove us right back into the fire.
I got a nice piece of meatloaf. I love me some beef.
Give it the beans!
No, I hate beef.
You don't... No, I wasn't talking to you. Oh, hello, red car.
Who you giving?
Not giving beans to anybody is a thing for when somebody pours it in their car. Send it! Maybe we might need a new car.
Yeah, think.
Biblically accurate beluga whale built bitch. Got a whole 4090 in that forehead. It's a reference to the cameraman, by the way. He has a TikTok and a YouTube. The magic scuba. Nope. Give me the dark seat. If anybody's wondering why I'm not letting Landman drive anything, I don't trust him. Not Landman. Shadow Crew drive. You want to drive?
I don't know how to, but sure.
This is what I'm gonna show. We're gonna show why we don't allow you to drive.
How do I take a...
Hold on, let me set up my camera real quick. Oh god, my camera can't keep up.
I'm not even going that fast.
Yeah, my camera can't keep up though.
Your camera can't keep up with the stupidity.
My camera can't keep up with the bus.
I totally know how to drive.
We are going through the mountain. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. This is why we don't allow Shadow Crew to drive. You biblically accurate beluga well built bitch.
Totally know how to drive.
Oh, I got out.
Yo, mind if I drive again?
No, you're not allowed to drive.
Why not?
I don't trust you.
I'm only drunk.
I don't trust you driving. You blew us up into oblivion last time.
I wonder what I could say to get you canceled.
You'll just get yourself canceled as well, bud.
Dan's body.
I'm gonna actually turn the camera towards me instead of having it face straight back. The camera is sitting. You can see. Oh no, you can see where the camera is. It's right there.
I'm Elastic Man. Wait. Plastic Man. Wait. But just touch the camera.
Get your hand off my camera. They don't want to see you. They want to see stupidity.
I am stupidity. Wow, we're going forward. I know how to drive compared to you.
What are you talking? We're a submarine now. We're a submarine now.
Yeah. We are a military. Ow. I just hit my wile.
Womp womp.
Wow.
Yeah.
It is I, the great idiot pilot.
No, it is I, the great idiot Jack.
Can't tell if I'm supposed to be offended.
That was to both of us. We're both the Jacks, buddy.
Yeah, well.
My camera down below where the camera is, so it seems like I'm not looking enough to look at my camera.
Hey kids, do you like boxes?
Yes, I did just take a picture on accident.
They see me all,
They hate us.
There's two idiot boys hanging out. What could possibly go wrong? Oh, hey, is that a bottle of Jack Daniels in your closet?
We don't talk about what I keep in my closet.
You mean who you keep?
We don't talk about that.
Good boy.
I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it.
Sure.
We need a switch.
I try. I'm not even gonna question how you got these on the top of your heart.
Oh, at the rocket, we don't question. Do not question me.
We don't talk the bed blue.
I'm just gonna put that there.
Hey, camera. I'm illegal.
Don't take him seriously.
Or do you?
No, we don't take you seriously.
La 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 la.
Shut the f up. Nobody cares about Elmo. I need to stop accidentally grabbing my camera.
Except for the 6-year-olds in my closet. Can I say that?
No, you can't.
Oh, dang. Ow, I just hit my head, Tana. Hit my head. What?
Oh, shit.
Diving in the water. Kaboom! Kaboom! There goes your towel. Sounds like a non-fiber.
Well, that is a YouTube. Well, we can say that. We can say that. That is a YouTube short sound.
Kaboom!
Kaboom!
You know what else?
Ooga booga!
You know what else is a YouTube short sound?
driving over the bridge. I swear to God, if you say something weird, I'm gonna throw us into it. And I'm gonna lock the doors.
Oh, yo, you know, that one song made by that one single called Lick Ashley is actually copyrighted. It's surprising.
Which one song? You know the Invisible
I'm never
Davis?
gonna give it up.
Oh, the Rickroll thing?
Oh yeah, the Invisible Davis, what about him?
He made a cover of Driving in My Car right after a beer.
Hey, that bump is
It's
shaped like a
Dazzle.
sun. What?
The bump is shaped like Dazzle. Dazzle's a deer.
S-U-N in my back truck. Driving and
I keep,
can you stop taking pictures of me from the back?
I keep accidentally grabbing my camera.
I have the perfect shot with my camera.
Where is your camera?
Right there.
Oh, I see. It can. On my end, your camera's barely keeping up with us. His camera. You can see where his camera is. You'll have to watch this video after. I'm probably gonna post this tomorrow. Cause I'm not posting at 8:30, 8:06 at night.
What? Oh, it is 8:06. God dang. I need to feed my cat. Give me a sec. Okay, I fed the, I'm not gonna say that, but you know,
The cat.
yeah, the cat. Totally what I was.
I will bite you if you don't move.
Yes, Mr. Ford. Well, I tried spawning my personal mirror.
Do we steal?
People tried. Had a little launch.
Oh god, I tried to spray the car with nitrous, that didn't work. Let's see how fast we can get going into the water, why don't we? Oh, this is just a shortcut.
Driving in my grass, cause I'm well.
Don't worry, I'll end recording in a minute when we get back over there. And when we crash, that's when I'll end recording. How about this? Next time I crash, I'll end recording.
Okay. You're gonna crash immediately, aren't you?
No, cause I want more watch time.
I recorded a 4-minute video, and it was edited into 3 parts.
You recorded a 4-minute video into 3 parts?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I was showcasing 3 things.
Fair.
I was just doing Tears of the Kingdom clip.
Does driving off the side of the road to get down to the bridge count as a crash?
Only if the car blows up.
Oh, the car's not gonna blow up. We've got plenty. The car's got plenty of health. Plenty of
Yeah, go ahead and drive your car off.
HP.
HP?
Yes, health. That's apparently what it's called. It's called HP.
You mean HP?
Yes. HP.
HP? It sounds like I'm sneezing. I've been told I sound like. You know how that's funny? No, you don't. If you're funny and you know it, clap your hands. No, you're not.
I was say, how come you didn't clap your hands?
Because I'm not funny. I'm a bunny. With women.
You're a pumpkin.
Wait.
You're a jacko-moon. You're not a pumpkin. You're not a pumpkin.
I'm a jacko bunny.
You don't even have ears.
Not yet.
Buddy. Oh,
Anyways, who said I was a jacko-moon?
you're jacko-moon with a Halloween costume on.
Who said it was Halloween?
He's back to
Mary
being a
St.
pumpkin.
Nicholas.
Oh,
Who said I was a pumpkin?
I just watched you switch.
I'm not gonna say it because it's copyrighted.
No. Is that what you were gonna sing? Or were you gonna sing something else?
Something just walked 1,000 miles.
I walk a lonely road.
I drive a lonely road.
I drive.
I
Where is
crash
the
into a lone.
Can somebody donate us a brain cell, please? Both of us, just a brain cell. We'll share it.
I bet I got more chromosomes than you.
You're missing. No, you sound like you're missing half of them. Biblically accurate beluga whale built. You probably got 4090 cranked up in that cranium.
Crash into the bus in the video.
If I can get over
They see
there.
me spinning.
Shut. Why does this car have 4 fucking pedals?
One for driving, one for driving, one for driving, and one for the brake.
Actually, that's probably gas, that's brake, clutch, and that's probably the parking brake.
Shut up.
My car.
You don't need
My
to-
channel is literally a car. Do you not expect me to go off on like this? Well, what happens if the bus doesn't fucking exist?
Well,
You know what? We'll crash the bus and then we'll call it a day.
yeah, just get some sleep, man.
Get some sleep. I didn't go to sleep last night.
Yeah, just crash the bus real quick. You guys, next time on Jujutsu Kaisen.
Shut you. Why did it stop? There we go.